Good evening, my fellow Hmong. My name is Suav. I am the Vice Chair of the Hmong Nationalities Organization. In collaboration with other organizations, we are hereby tonight to promulgate our policy paper in regards to our Hmong's civic duty and responsibilities in each of the countries where we are citizens thereof. We acknowledge that our Hmong people live in many countries around the globe. We acknowledge that each of the countries where our Hmong people live as citizens has its own form of government, supreme law of the lands, and legitimate political systems and leadership. We acknowledge that as citizens of those countries where our Hmong peoples as a part of national development, our people have basic civil rights and civil liberties that are guaranteed by the constitutions of the countries per se. We acknowledge that as citizens of those countries where we are part of national defense, we are obligated to exercise our civic duty and responsibilities to protect the constitutions of those countries and to defend the common interests of those peoples for national integrations, harmonies, and prosperity. Given these policy positions, we are here to express our oppositions to any policies of any Hmong groups that violates the constitutions of those countries where our Hmong peoples are citizens thereof. Consistent to this policy, we are hereby to denounce the proclamation made by the Montagnard Federation based in Thailand announcing that Mr. Willis Bird is the king of the Hmong on February 11th, 2017. We are hereby to express our support to those Hmong around the globe who are good citizens respecting the rule of law and therefore condemns such proclamations of the Montagnard Federations. Thank you and good night.